Hello everyone and welcome to Gadgets 360, and today we have with us the brand new Motorola One Fusion Plus. This is the new smartphone to launch in India. The price is pretty nice at 16,999 rupees. So without waiting any further, let's go ahead and unbox the device. But before I do that, be sure you are subscribed to the Gadgets 360 YouTube channel and click that bell icon so that you are the first to know when we have a new video. So let's go ahead with the unboxing of the Motorola One Fusion Plus. This is what the box looks like. It does give out some key specifications about the device. So it does mention the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G SoC, big battery life with turbo power charging, a 64 megapixel high resolution camera and night vision. So that is what we know, and the photo also shows that it has a pop-up selfie camera. So without waiting any further, let's go ahead and unbox the device. This is the Motorola One Fusion Plus. It's already in a case right out of the box, so that's something unique. Now the color we have got is twilight blue. There's also moonlight white, and I personally prefer that color because what Motorola has done with moonlight white is that the front of the phone is also white as well as the back, so it's a full white phone. That's something we've not seen very often these days. There's a neat cutout for the pop-up camera as well. I'm going to peel the sticker off and keep the phone to boot. Let's dig deep, check what else do you get in the box. A couple of documentation, a SIM eject tool, and as you can see, this is the charger. Motorola says that it is an 18-watt charger, turbocharger that they've bundled, and a USB Type-C port. And that's it for the box. Let's take a look at the phone now. At the front, you have a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display. Now this is a DCI-P3 color gamut and it is HDR10 certified. At the back, you have a quad camera setup, and the setup is such that you get a 64 megapixel primary sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 5 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. And right next to it is the rear mounted fingerprint scanner. So it also has Motorola's Batwing logo on it. As you can see from the side, the phone is a little thick, and this is because it has a 5000 mAh battery inside. And this is something that Motorola has done with this particular device, is that you get a dedicated button for the Google Assistant. Let me talk about the button placements as well. So all the buttons are on the right side of the device. The main thing that I would want to talk about is the pop-up camera. As you can see, the pop-up camera is a 16 megapixel sensor. That is what you get with this device. Pop-up cameras are not very common in this price range. Let's go through the device settings and specifications and check what version of Android it's running. You can see it's running Android 10 with an April security patch. It might just be possible that it's gotten a software update soon. So I'm just going to check for a software update as well. So April 1 security patch is what you get, and Android 10 on top. In terms of the performance, this smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G SoC. Now the international variant of this Motorola One Fusion Plus has the Snapdragon 730, but the Indian variant gets the 730G processor, which should give it some edge in terms of gaming. It also has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage on board, which is expandable further using that hybrid SIM tray slot. Let's talk about the UI. Motorola calls it My UX, so I would say it's pretty much very close to stock Android. So for someone who's looking at a smartphone on a budget with stock Android, this one is definitely worth considering, because you do get neo stock Android with a few of Motorola's useful customizations, like the double chop to turn on the flashlight. I think there's the double twist, a double crank gesture to start the camera of the smartphone as well. So Motorola features, these are very handy and something that I really like about it. And it'll be interesting to see how this phone fares in our full review. So that was a quick unboxing and our first look at the Motorola One Fusion Plus. Now what do you think about the smartphone? Let us know in the comment section down below. And as always, for all things tech, stay tuned to Gadgets360.com.